Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about how DialMyCalls can be used for automated texting. Once you've signed up for an account and have verified your number to use for texting, you can send out your first automated text. To send a text message, click on Broadcast and then New Broadcast. You will see 3 broadcast options. Choose Text Message and click Next. Now you're going to select the contacts that you want to receive your text message and click Next. Go ahead and select your verified texting number from the dropdown, and you can select a text message template you've already created or type out a new text message. Click Next to proceed. Choose whether you want to send your broadcast immediately or at a later date and time. Name your broadcast, which is strictly for your records, and click Next. Ensure all of the information for your text broadcast is accurate on the confirmation page, and then click Confirm and Send. On the next page, you are able to generate a social media link for your text message if you choose to do so. Otherwise, go ahead and click on Broadcast and then Broadcast Reports to view the outcome of your automated text. Click on Text next to the broadcast name to view the full report. You will see the status of every text message and have the ability to generate a downloadable CSV report to keep for your records. And that's it. You just use your DialMyCalls account to send out an automated text. If you have any additional questions, please contact us toll-free at 800-928-2086, by email at support@dialmycalls.com, or via live chat 7 days a week.